Lemko Language, Lesson 20, Reflexive Possessive Pronouns, Personal Pronouns and Verbs. Lemkiuski jazyk, 20 lekcja. Wертane przeswijne miejsce nazywnike, osobowe miejsce nazywnike I czasosłowa. Reflexive Possessive Pronouns. A reflexive possessive pronoun is a possessive pronoun that refers to the subject. In other words, it denotes ownership to the subject exclusively. It can be used for any subjects in the first, second, and third person. However, it makes a difference when the subject is in the third person. Let's take a look at this example. Michał trzyma jego kniżkę means Michael holds his book. It can be Michael's own book or some other man's book. In the next sentence, we use the reflexive possessive pronoun. Michał trzyma swoją kniżkę means Michael holds his book. In this case, it can only be Michael's own book. Now we'll go over the reflexive possessive pronouns for each grammatical case. In the nominative case, for the masculine, it is swy, swy. For feminine, it is swoja, swoja. For neuter, swoje, swoje. For plural, swoi, swoi. In the genitive case, the masculine is swojoho, swojoho, or alternatively, swoho, swoho. Feminine, it is swojoj, swojoj. Neuter, it is swojoho, swojoho. Or alternatively, swoho, swoho. The plural is swoich, swoich. In the accusative case, for the masculine, neuter, and plural, if the noun is not a person or animal, then the reflexive possessive pronoun in the accusative case is the same as in the nominative case. Otherwise, it is the same as in the genitive case. In the accusative case, the feminine is swoju, swoju. In the dative case, the masculine is swojomu, swojomu, or alternatively, swomu, swomu. The feminine is swoi, swoi. The neuter is swojomu, swojomu, or alternatively, swomu, swomu. The plural is swoim, swoim. For the instrumental case, the masculine is swoim, swoim. The feminine is swojom, swojom, or alternatively, swojo, swojo. The neuter is swoim, swoim. The plural is swojima, swojima. For the locative case, the masculine is swoim, swoim. The feminine is swoi, swoi. The neuter is swoim, swoim. The plural is swoich, swoich. Reflexive personal pronouns. A reflexive personal pronoun is a personal pronoun not in the nominative case, that refers to the subject. For an example, to say, I buy myself a shirt, it would be incorrect to say, Ja kupię mi koszulę. Instead, we replace me with a reflexive personal pronoun, in this case can be sobie or sy, and we get Ja kupię si koszulę. Now we'll go over the reflexive personal pronouns used for each grammatical case. Remember, for the nominative case, a reflexive personal pronoun is not used. In the genitive case, the reflexive personal pronoun is sebe, se, be, or also sha, sha. In the accusative case, it is sebe, se, be, or also sha, sha. In the dative case, it is sobi, so, bi, or also si, si. In the instrumental case, it is sobom, so, bom, or also sobo, so, bo. In the locative case, it is sobi, so, bi. Reflexive verbs. Reflexive verbs include sha. These verbs are primarily used when the recipient of the subject's action, or the direct object, is the subject itself. For example, mote means to wash, whereas motesha means to wash oneself. Reflexive verbs include some intransitive verbs, verbs that denote state of being, and verbs that show the passive voice. In terms of word order, sha can go before or after the verb, but it cannot be the first word in the clause. We will go into a little more detail with the past and future tense. Past tense. To form the past tense for the first and second person by omitting the pronoun and including the present tense conjugation of bote after the past tense verb, sha can only come after the conjugated form of bote. Let's take a look at the examples below. Mo yem sha, mo yem sha, or alternatively, mo la yem sha, mo la yem sha means I washed myself. Mo yes sha, mo yes sha, or alternatively, mo la yes sha, mo la yes sha means you singular washed yourself. Mo le sme sha, mo le sme sha means we washed ourselves. Mo le ste sha, mo le ste sha means you plural washed yourselves, or alternatively, you formal washed yourself. Remember, mola yem sha and mola yes sha often shorten to molam sha and molas sha, respectively. Also, since the first person plural conjugation of bote can also be zme, sme can also be replaced with zme, such as mole zme sha. Future tense. To form the future tense by incorporating the present tense conjugation of bote in the conjugated past tense of the verb, the two rules below must be followed. First, when the subject is singular in number, sha can only be between the conjugated future tense of bote and the conjugated past tense of the verb. And second, when the subject is plural in number, sha can either be between the conjugated future tense of bote and the infinitive form of the verb, or after the infinitive form of the verb. Let's take a look at the example below. Я буду шамыл. Я буду шамыл. Or alternatively, я буду шамыла. Я буду шамыла means I will wash myself. Ты будешь шамыл. Ты будешь шамыл. Or alternatively, ты будешь шамыла. Ты будешь шамыла means you singular will wash yourself. Він буде шамил. Він буде шамил means he will wash himself. Вона буде шамила. Вона буде шамила means she will wash herself. Воно буде шамило. Воно буде шамило means it will wash itself. Ми будемо шамити. Ми будемо шамити. Or alternatively, ми будемо митися. Ми будемо митися means we will wash ourselves. Ви будете шамити. Ви будете шамити. Or alternatively, ви будете митися. Ви будете митися means you plural will wash yourselves. Ви будете шамити. Ви будете шамити. Or alternatively, ви будете митися. Ви будете митися means you formal will wash yourself. Вони будуть шамити. Вони будуть шамити. Or alternatively, вони будуть митися. Вони будуть митися means they will wash themselves. Example sentences. Мої дідо народилися в Америці. Мої дідо народилися в Америці. My grandfather was born in America. Я возьму ідло з собою на подорож. Я возьму ідло з собою на подорож. I will take food with me for the trip. Вони одведжають своїх родичів тепер. Вони одведжають своїх родичів тепер. They are visiting their parents now. Коли ще вернеш з роботи? Коли ще вернеш з роботи? When will you return from work? Аня вказала všetkým свою нову сукню. Аня вказала všetkým свою нову сукню. Anna showed everyone her new dress. Chłopec widzi siebie w zerkali. Chłopec widzi siebie w zerkali. The boy sees himself in the mirror. This concludes Lesson 20. Please stay tuned for upcoming lessons.